Hello and welcome, and today is the last and final day of Stayc week, day 7, and as I'm sure you can tell by the title, we're going to be opening the Digipacks and the special gift edition, which this is from Makestar, but I also bought some from Cape Town for you. I'm hoping out of the total 12 that I bought, I will hopefully have all 6 members. That's my hope. But I think I should probably start with the gift edition first, and we'll save the gift box version. Gift box. The Digipack last. So let's do the gift box first. Random little, I think, freebie. I bought this off an eBay seller, by the way, so yeah, that's why it's wrapped like that. But yeah, here is the gift edition. Should probably just go right ahead and take the plastic off. And here we got the gift edition. The back. I was just looking at the details just before I started this unboxing, and I know there's a perfume in here. Oh yeah, there's nothing on those sides. And there's like 10,000 of like some number card thing. And I remember seeing, it's so cute. I remember seeing there's a hidden like track on here, so I'm gonna have to look at that and figure that out. So that's right on top. And so, gift edition. Numbering card. Ooh, 7809. I don't know why they gave out these numbering cards. I don't know if they mean something. I'm assuming not, but I have no idea. No, I think these are the cards, which these aren't random. I think they gave you a set of cards, so I might as well just take them out. But there's that. Envelope. Oh, they're very stuck together. There we go. Okay, so we got Simmons. They're very cute. Sheehan. So pretty. Hope Bear. Isa, Taeyong, whatever you want to call her. cute. Got sand. Very, very pretty. It's got a little eye patch. Got Yoon. Then we got J. See if I can put it back in. There we go. Little photo cards. And then we got whatever this is. I know there was a set of, oh God, postcards. I'm scared I'm gonna rip it. Honestly, I think it might be better to just slice it. I don't know, but I also don't want to rip it. Am I slicing it? I think I've decided that.
I know some people don't like to, but I just maybe cut into it. That might be enough. Nope, it's not.
There you go. Started to rip. Anywho, I think this is the postcard set. We got Sumin. Very, very pretty. I think all the backs are going to be the same. I really love this concept though. I think this is the most like versions I think they've ever released for one comeback, especially since it is a single. Got a unit. But at least for this version, they didn't have like random photo cards or anything. So you got like the whole set, which I feel like most companies just don't do that. So that people would have to buy more. But yeah. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my God. That is adorable. Oh, keeps sliding on me. I hope you can't hear any background noise, whether that be my brother or my parents, but oh, it's teddy bear shaped. Oh, that's cute. But yeah, those are the postcards. I don't think there was anything else in there. Nope. There's that. And I think this is the photo book. Oh, here's the puzzle. Here's the puzzle. would have been cooler if it would be cool if they like released like an actual puzzle, but like, you know, 500 pieces or something. This just has what, like 12? But yeah. And there is a perfume bottle, which I'm assuming is their like official scent that they use. It is so small. Look at it. Like, it is teeny. It's 13 grams. Teddy bear. There's the dates. It expires. I'm trying to get it open. Oh my god. Oh, I can't get it open. The box is so small. No, I don't really want to stick my scissors in here, but I'm hoping this will go deep enough where I can pop it. There you go. There you go. And now it's in a little tin, but here's the tin. It's not centered whatsoever. It slides. Oh, I thought it was like an actual perfume, but it's like a cream. But I'm assuming it's like a fragrance kind of thing, right? Let me look at the details again. Yeah, it just says perfume. It's literally what it says, perfume. But it's not a perfume, it's... I was expecting like a little bottle, like a little spray bottle. But no, it's like a cream. I mean, it doesn't smell terrible, but it's also really strong. But that's also probably because it's... I'd imagine it's like you grab just a little bit and you like rub it on kind of thing. Interesting. I don't know. It's different, that's for sure. It is definitely different. But for now, close it. I don't think there was anything else in here. No, I don't think so. I don't want to break it either, but... Oh god, there's no nice way to put this back in. Oh, there you go. Okay. I think the last thing was that photo book. So, I think what I'm gonna do I don't think there's anything in here. No, okay. So we're gonna go through the little mini photo book. There's teddy bear. The back looks like there's no spine on this one. So it should lay a lot better if it doesn't have a spine. I wonder what that bonus track thing was. All I did was the instrumental. I'd have to play the CD to know. Yeah, because it was like bonus hidden track. These are like more like behind the scenes photos. That's very cute. Cute. This blonde on her looks so good. I just love the fuzzy hat. Gold buns. Poppy, 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 love, love. Acca version? Does it just mean the acapella version of Teddy Bear? Is that what the bonus track is? Probably, honestly. Probably. They're little bears. So cute. There's the little photo book. I think that is it for this. So put it all together somewhat in the way that I remember. Was this over, under? I don't remember. I think it was over. But yeah, I think that bonus track is that acca version that I was saying. So I'd imagine it's just like an acapella version. But yeah, so there's that. And then we have the Digipacks, which I'm gonna open the Makestar box first, go through those cards, and then hopefully, you know, hopefully I'll have all 6 versions for the Digipacks, because if not, that won't be fun. But let's open the Makestar. They put it in such a big box when the albums are this small. Or it should be 6 anyway. It should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Well, the thing is from the side, you kind of can't really tell whose version's what. They all have similar color on the cover. But yeah. So here's these Makestar cards. So pretty. So pretty. Okay. So let's open from top of age order that I can think of at the top of my head. We start with Sumin. So here's Sumin's. Pink is very pretty. Here's Sumin. And it should be Sian. Very cute. And then it should be Taeyong. Very, very cute with the clip. And then I'm pretty sure it's Seon, right? Yes, it is. Woo. I have a list over there in the corner. Just looked at it. It's on the other side of the paper, but got San, and we get Yoon. Backs are all the same. And then we get Jay. Very, very cute. And that's the Makestar set for these Digipacks. Very, very pretty. Okay, so this is the Makestar whole pile that I have, and then the K-Town for You ones that I bought. So we should probably just start opening them. Honestly, I kind of feel like saving those for later. We can start with this one. Start from the top. Whose version are we gonna get? But we could probably just show this off, honestly. I'm not gonna show it off every time because they all look the same from the outside. But then that's what the inside looks like. Got the CD on this side, which I'm assuming the CDs aren't random. Imagine all the CDs are the same. The only thing that's different, this. And, okay, so we got Yoons. So let's take out whatever's in here that I'm having trouble taking out. I think that's it. Yes. Okay, so we start off with Yoon, which I am just gonna zoom in. Got Yoon. The unit, and another group. Boom. Okay, and we got this stuff, whatever this stuff is. Okay, so we got Sion's little sticker. That's cute. I should probably bring it up. Cute. I'm glad it says their name because I do not remember colors and I can read that, like you can read that. Got Yoon's photo card, which I think there's 12 cards for the Digipack total. So that's gonna be fun. And then I guess we just move on to the next. Which I should probably zoom out because I don't know which ones I'm gonna get. Okay, so we got a different member, Hallelujah, which I want to check actually. CDs are the same, yeah. CDs are the same. So we do now have we've got Isis, Taeyong, which I'd imagine these group photos are going to be the same, but everything else should be all just her. It's very, very pretty. So there is Isis. And so, whoops. Let's start with the sticker. Just CNs again. And then photo card, we got Jay, which is this one. Oh, that's cute. Little hoodie. There's Jay's. Okay, so far we pulled 2 of the 6 members. Okay. So next we've got, okay, we got Cian's. Got Cian. So let's zoom in. Here is Cian's. That is so cute. So now we got the other unit in that photo. Cian's. Sorry if you can hear my dad. And then got Isa's little bear. And then photo card, we got Sumin. Misread it, Sumin. I saw the S. Sumin. Very, very pretty. Okay, on to the next. So far we pulled different members every time. I don't know what are the chances of me getting all 6 members, unless there's some way you could tell, like from the outside of the different members. I don't really see it unless like you look like really detailed on the side, like with the colors, but even then it's still really hard to tell. I don't know. Oh no, see, got another Yoon. Yeah, and it's a dupe. It's another Shein sticker and the same Yoon photo card. Nothing you can do about that. Actually, I should probably continue to keep them out. I really hope I get all 6 members, because it would just be very annoying if I didn't, because I'm not buying any more of these. So, oop. Oh, it's really stuck in there. I don't see another Yoon. It's looking like it's already a dupe because I think it's the same card. Yeah, it is. Another Shein sticker, same photo card. I think Yoon's loving me a little too much. Just a little too much. Okay, pretty sure we haven't pulled her so far, right? San, I'm pretty sure we haven't. We pulled Cian, Isa, and Yoon. So this is the first San. So here is Sans. So I think that's now what, 4 out of the 6 members, I think now. See, the only difference is in here. I've noticed that every member has a different like design on the back like that. Okay, we got J sticker, which is different. And Yoon, it's the same photo card as the other ones. It is what it is. But I think that's 4 of them so far. Now we're going into the Makestar pile. These are the ones I just bought from Makestar. So hopefully I will have, hopefully, all the members. Who am I missing? I'm missing, I think it's Sumin. Is it Sumin and Jay? I keep forgetting who I pulled. Yeah, I think it's Sumin and Jay. Yeah. That's what I'm missing, is Sumin and Jay. Oh, I think this is Shein. Oh no, Sans again. Okay, but we got the other Yoon photo card, which is nice. So here's the other Yoon photo card. Got Isa sticker again. Oh no. Just 2 other more members. I think it's the oldest and the youngest, Sumin and Jay. Wow, this one really doesn't want to go in there. Oh, why am I putting it back in there? What am I thinking? Okay. Now it's Sands again. It's the same set again. So it's the same sticker and the same photo card. Oh no. This isn't looking good for me right now. Oh, pretty sure we pulled hers already. Okay, well this is I think different. But sand sticker. We have this J. Again, I'm pretty sure I'm only missing, hold up. I think those are the 4 that I pulled. Those 2 are Yoon. Isa, San. This should be San, Xian, Isa, and Yoon. Yeah, so it's just Sumin and Jay. Those are the 2 that I'm missing. I'm keeping them in separate piles now. Not gonna be fun. Only have 3 left. Nope, it's looking the same. Yep. Got another Cian sticker again. And got a Yoon photo card, which I have both of hers already. Oh no. Got 2 left. It's the exact 2 amount that I still need. I'm gonna be really sad if I didn't pull all 6 members. Ooh. Oh no, it's just upside down. Oh. Boo. It's the same one too. Cian and Yoon. Again. Very last one. Be good to me. Either Jay or Sumin. Just give me one I don't have yet. No, I'm pretty sure I have it, yeah. It all fell in there. Same J that I already have. Another Saiyan sticker. No. Like the photo card dupes don't really matter as much to me. It's more about the fact that like I didn't pull all the members, which sucks. Cause like for this, okay, here's the Xian, there's an Isa. Got a J and a Saiyan. I think that's it. I think everything else is the same. Yeah. Looking like it. Pull a lot of Xian. I don't know what it is. Xian. Put a lot of Xian. And then got Yoon and Yoon. Got J. Same Yoon, same J, Yoon, 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 Yoon. Got a Sumin and another J. Those are my pulls for that. Yeah, a lot of Yoon. I almost pulled a Yoon set. I'm just missing her stickers. Yeah, and J, I'm missing her other photo card. It's the only Sumin I have. So I pulled at least one of every member, sort of, in a way, right? Cian, oh, age order. So Sumin, Cian, Isa, and then Sayan, and then Yoon, and Jay. But yeah, so I only pulled 4 of the members, which is Isa, Yoon, Cian, and then Sayan. That's it. Everything else is dupes, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so Sayan, Isa, Yoon, Isa, what are Yoon and Isa? Sayan, and Sayan. So it's mostly Yoon, Isa, and Sayan. I pulled a lot of version-wise, but yeah. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing of Stacey's teddy bear gift version and Digipacks. Unfortunately, I didn't pull all 6 versions, which sucks, but that means I'm gonna have to get the other 2 that I'm missing, which is Sumin and Jay. So it is what it is, because you kind of can't really tell from the outside what version it is, so nothing you can do about that. But I do hope you enjoyed, and I hope you enjoyed all of my Stacey week, because this is officially the last day, day 7 of Stacey week. So that's it for Stacey. Well, for now. I do have their season's greetings on the way at some point, because I thought, you know, might as well buy it. So I do have that eventually coming, which I'll probably open that too. It's just when it comes. But I do hope you enjoyed, and if you haven't seen the last 6 days of the Stacey week, where I unboxed all their other albums besides their Japanese ones, go ahead and watch that. I do have a Stacey playlist on my account, and those are the only Stacey videos that I have right now, is the Stacey week. So, but they're there. You could watch all of them for the last week. But I do hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.